Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to rotate a page in Canva. So as you can see, I've got this image open in landscape form. If I wanted to rotate it to a portrait style, this is how you do it. But it's important to note you can only do this if you're on a Canva Pro account. But if you are, you can follow along. So I'm going to click onto the image, then click on resize in the top left hand corner. It's suggesting different sizes to me. So I'm going to click on there. If you don't see that, you can click on custom size. So by clicking on that, then I have the option to copy and resize or resize the design. So if you think you might want to go back to the original design, click on copy and resize and it will open up a new page. So I'll show you what I mean. So by clicking on copy and resize, it's opening up a new page for me with my image and the new layout. So all I need to do now is just click on the image, click on rotate and move it around till I get to 90%. Then I'm just going to make sure it fits by dragging and dropping the corners out, and how I have my new rotated image in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.